Hi friends, good evening. This is Tomal here. In today's session, we are going to discuss regarding the vertical alignment. You notice that I have written something in the cell margin center in the home from this is I am doing from the home tab. In my home tab, there is a particular option called margin center, and I am clicked on that to get these particular three columns merged into a particular cell and centrally aligned. So this is my content now across the three cell which is converted into a particular cell and its home tab. Now in the same home tab, with the help of this option, I'm clicking on vertical text. Now perhaps you will make a question that how will it, how were the rest of the things gone? So now if I make it like this way, you will can see, yeah, see, this is the thing. I just increase the height from 13.5 to 16, and now if I little more increase to 80. Yeah, so in this way my whole text in the particular cell get decorated or aligned in a vertical direction. So this is all about the vertical alignment in a particular cell in Excel. So this is all about the session. My name is Kamal Das, representing PRCOMP. Official website is prccomp.org.in. Email is askamal6@gmail.com. Call is 84207958. Thank you for being with us. Any query, please text me or WhatsApp me at that particular number, and you are very much welcome to give us any type of suggestion. Thank you for viewing us and stay for more. Thank you.